Oh, he's waving. Yeah, he's saying hello, Youtubies. He's saying hello, Youtubies. Hey folks, well, been a while since I've been here with you, but I'm back. Thanks for coming back to the channel to watch me and Walter. And I've got a little surprise for you at the end of the video, so hang around. It's got to do with the chickens. So, hang around for that at the end. Oh yeah, and if you like what you see, hit subscribe, ding that bell, and touch that like. Anyway folks, I wanted to update you on the garden. Oh my goodness, it's growing so big, so fast, so much. I've got, I don't know how many tomatoes now. One's about that big, and my cucumber, I've got one that big. It's so cute. Oh, I can't wait to eat them. Cucumbers, my downfall. Absolute my favorite, my favorite, my favorite. Next to potato chips, yeah. So first cucumber I'm going to eat is a baby cuke. I'm going to eat it skin and all with salt and vinegar, because that's what I used to do when I was a little girl. Sit in the garden with a little bowl of vinegar and some salt, pick those little cucumbers, and my mom always made dill pickles, so always had lots of cucumbers in the garden. Yep, that was my favorite patch in the whole garden was cucumbers. And now I've got a wicking tub that's going to be full of them. I'm so excited. Yes. Well, what? What do you want? What? Are you telling me a story? Go ahead. Yeah, tell me a story. Go ahead. That's it. Oh yes, pretty story. Yes. Oh, beautiful story. Oh, you're going to tell Youtubies too. He's telling you a story too, I hear. Oh, he's waving. Yeah, he's saying hello, Youtubies. He's saying hello, Youtubies. See his little paw going up and down? That's him saying hello, Youtubies. Yeah. Pretty Walter. Yeah. Tell Youtubies all about it. Yeah. Tell Youtubies. Tell them. Oh, you're telling me a story? He tells me a story lots of times. This is the first time you got to hear him do it. This is how he does it. Tell a pretty story. Yeah. Oh, he's telling quite the story today, folks, so we'll just let him go ahead with this. Yeah. Yeah, you got a big story. Kiss. Oh, he likes kisses. Do you like kisses? Yeah. Hi, Walter. Say pretty. Say pretty bird. This is him. Oh yeah, he goes off on these tangents, singing away. Hey, you sound so pretty. You sound so pretty. Yes, you do, pretty bird. Yeah, your mom is just a sweating here, Walt. Oh my goodness sakes. I have to turn the fan off when I'm using the camera because it's too loud. What? Oh, you don't want me talking to you, Youtubies? You want all the attention. Oh, he's getting fussy now, folks. He don't want me talking to you. Oh, what? Wow. Getting a little possessive, are we? You don't want me talking to you, Youtubies? What? 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 What do you want? Well, I gotta talk to Youtubies. Oh, not today, eh? You're gonna take them. You're taking the full limelight, are you? Are you taking it? Well, tell him you're a pretty bird. Tell him you're a pretty bird. Pretty bird. Tell him, say, pretty bird. Pretty bird. Are you happy now? Doesn't usually get this talkative with me, but he is today. Well, you got lots to say, don't ya? Yeah, you do. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Well, he's flown off for now. We'll just let that be, but I'm sure he'll be back to say bye-bye, Youtubies. Yeah. And folks, I promised you an update on the chickens, so there they are, all done. Now, I didn't post all of the processing because I know it would really upset a lot of people, I think, but I will leave a link below to a channel that does a great job in processing them so that you can actually see how it's done if you want to. But it all went well. It was very humane. They had a wonderful life, and now they're going to give us wonderful food because that's the circle of life, folks. That's how it works. So I'd just like to thank all 5 of them for the wonderful opportunity I was given to raise them healthy, happy. And now I'm going to thank them all again because I get the opportunity to cook them, share them, and enjoy them. So it's not really the end of the journey for them because now they're going to serve us some really, really good food. Okay, folks, so there's your update on the chickens. Now, where's that Walter? Say bye-bye, Walter. Say bye-bye, Youtubies.